Hello everyone, welcome to Login Join. This video will learn how to delete your Badoo account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up Badoo app on your phone. And once the app opens up, click on the profile-like icon on your bottom right corner. Now click on the gear-like icon which is on the top right of your profile, which is your setting icon. And once the setting page opens up, click on the account option. Now you'll see there's a delete account option on the very bottom of your screen. Tap on delete account. Now you'll be asked if you're very much sure if you want to delete the account, or you're also given several options if you want to hide your account or switch notifications off or just sign out instead. But you're sure about deletion, then you can go ahead and select the continue option. And now select a reason why you want to delete the account and then continue. With this, your account would be deleted. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.